ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम् समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ती उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी, आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Bhagwan has explained how do I incarnate in this world, what is the nature of my work, what kind of purposes I have. And then Bhagwan said, I have categorized all human beings in four categories that is done by me. And now Bhagwan is elaborating more on karma topic. Bhagavan says we should know what is karma and what is akarma. Shloka number 16. 16th. Kim karma kima karmeti kavayopyatra mohitaha tatte karma pravakshami yajñatva mokshase shubhat. Kim karma kima karmeti कवयोऽप्यत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्. किम कर्म किम अकर्म इति कवयः अपि अत्र मोहिताः तत्ते कर्म प्रवक्ष्यामि यत् ज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे अशुभात्. This is Vigraha. Now we are jumping on to Anvaya. Kim karma? What is karma? Kim akarma? What is akarma? Karma means action. Akarma means inaction. Literal translation. Iti this. Kavayah atra kavayah api mohitaha. In this context, kavayah api mohitaha. Even the intelligent people, they are also mohitaha, they are also perplexed, confused in terms of deciding what is karma, what is akarma, what is action, what is inaction. Tat karma, that karma means the final decision of what is karma, what is akarma. Te, to you, pravakshami, I shall tell you. Yat Nyatva, having known that Ashubhat Mokshase, you will be free from this Ashubha Samsara, abominable world. From this Samsara, you will be free if I tell you what is karma and what is akarma. Now, Jnaneshwari, कर्म म्हणजे कवण अथवा अकर्मा काय लक्षण ऐसे विचारिता विचक्षण गुंफो निठेले कर्म म्हणजे ते कवण अथवा अकर्मा काय लक्षण ऐसे विचारिता विचक्षण गुंफो निठेले. कर्म म्हणजे ते कवण. What is कर्म? Action. Akarma kaya lakshana. What are the characteristics of akarma or the indicators of akarma? I say Vicharita, thus when they started thinking, who? Vichakshanaha, intelligent people. Gumfo, Nithele, they also got entangled. They could not arrive at the final conclusion. Why? Naneshwar Maharaj gives beautiful example. So karma and akarma both are actions only for time being now. So both are actions. So it is difficult whether it is karma or akarma. So in the beginning I am using this word. When Bhagwan Naneshwar Maharaj explains everything, that time it will be very clear. Naneshwar Maharaj gives example. There is one duplicate thing and there is one real thing. For example, there is one real 10 rupees coin or 10 rupees note, and there is another 10 rupees note. If you see both of them, they will look alike, as good as both. The duplicate one is real, but when you look it closely, that time you will understand one is real, another is duplicate. But initially, the unreal also looks real. That example is given here. Like that, initially karma, akarma, unable to figure out. Akarma also looks like karma only. Karma also can be look like akarma. Okay. So means when you are sitting quietly, not doing anything, what will you say? I am not doing anything. I am in inaction mode, not doing anything. But if you think more, you are sitting in one place. Sitting is also one of the action. So you think that I am not doing anything, but the sitting is also one kind of doing. Like that, action cannot act, inaction can be action, or action cannot can be inaction. For example, a doctor is cutting the stomach of a patient. Okay, so cutting the stomach of a patient. So it looks like what? He's killing that person. He's doing action of killing or cutting the body. But actually speaking, doctor is cutting the body. He is not murdering that person. In fact, he is doing solution for that person. He is curing that person. So we might feel, oh, he is killing, so he should get punishment because he has done cutting work, karma. But actually speaking, the action is also inaction. He won't get any fine or charges for cutting someone's body for a operation purpose. So inaction, sitting quietly, may superficially feels like inaction, but sitting is also one kind of action. And cutting someone's body with the help of very sharp needle or body or the small instrument, it is a killing kind of action, but still it is inaction. He won't be punished for that. Both are same. Means killing someone and cutting someone's body for operation, both are same. But one is one will get punishment, another will not. जैसे का कुडे नाणे it's unreal. जैसे का कुडे नाणे खऱ्याचे नि सारखेपणे डोळ्याचे ही देखणे भुली घाली डोळ्याचे ही देखणे संशयी घाली संशयी word has to be there. Okay. So संशयी घाली. जैसे का कुडे नाणे like not real coin. खऱ्याचेनी खऱ्याचेनी सारखेपणे. But that unreal kind of thing will also look real. And this unreal coin देखणे डोळ्याचेही संशयी घाली, and It might, create doubt in a person who has proper eyes. Samshayi, I'll correct this. Samshayi ghali. So there can be a doubt regarding this. So both look, very close. That is why there can be a doubt or a samshaya. To a person who has good eyes, good vision, such person also can be, created with the doubt. Next. तैसे नैष्कर्म्यते चेणि भ्रमे विजित आहाति कर्मे जे दुजे सृष्टि मनोधर्मे करो सकती. So beautiful concept I can explain here. तैसे नैष्कर्म्यते चेणि भ्रमे विजित आहाति कर्मे जे दुजी सृष्टि मनोधर्मे करो सकती. Again, small mistake is there. तैसे नैष्कर्म्यते चे निभ्रमे गिवसित गिव सीजत आहाति कर्मे जे दुजी सृष्टि मनोधर्मे करू शकती. So see the words. J means those people who can create another srushti with the help of their mind. Means we also can create another srushti with the help of our mind. Means that much creativity or power of creation they have. They can create another srushti. We can also create another srushti if we think that much. जे दुजी सृष्टी another सृष्टी मनोधर्मे करू शकती. Means they have full strength and power to do whatever they want. But if they think I have attained Naishkarmya, I have attained what? Naishkarmya avastha, where I don't have to do anything. Naishkarmya te cheni brahme, I don't have to do anything. I have attained Naishkarmya avastha. I need not do anything. But such people who have ability to create something, but they think I have achieved or I have attained this Naishkarmya avastha, to such people, Givasi ahati karme, this karma, they are finding them and giving their fair share. Means what? Even though a realized person, that person also has to do some or the other action. We cannot live without doing something. And so if someone is thinking that I have achieved Naishkarmya avastha, I don't need to do any karma now. If he says that, and body will not allow you to sit quietly, you will do some karma. So in mind, I have this idea, I don't have to do anything, but I am doing some or the other action. Those karmas, they will reach you, they will catch you, and they will give you fair share. So a person who has power to do something, out of knowledge, he says, I have achieved Nashkarmi Avastha, still that person will be getting his fair share in his life. Then Naneshwar Maharaj says, Vachoni murkhachi gothi kayasi येथ मोहिलेगा क्रांतदर्शी म्हणून आता तेची परियसी सांगेन तुझ वाचोनी मूर्खाची गोठी कायसी येथ मोहलेगा क्रांतदर्शी म्हणून आता तेची परियसी सांगेन तुझ. So person who has got some knowledge, he also may be caught by his karma. Then what to talk about? A foolish people. Vachoni. Then murkhachi gothi kayasi. One who understands I am this body. Such person. Murkhachi goti kayasi. One who has ignorance. Et mohilega krantadarshi. People krantadarshi who can think beyond present. who can see beyond the walls. Such people, mohale, they are also confused. They also don't know the deep or the exact knowledge of karma akarma. वाचोनी मूर्खाची गोटी कायसी. What to talk about मूर्ख. Manoni, therefore, means foolish people don't understand. People who can see beyond present, they can't understand. Enlightened people also sometimes can be caught by karma. Therefore, आता तेची परियेसी, तेची परियेसी, that I am going to tell you. Listen from me. Sange na tuja. Listen from me. I am going to tell you about that. I am going to explain you about that. Listen from me. Then Bhagavan says, कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यम् बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः कर्मणो ह्यपि बोद्धव्यं बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणश्च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः. Very very important shloka as far as we all are concerned. कर्मणः हि अपि बोद्धव्यम् बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणः च बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणः गतिः. This is splitting. Sandhis are separated from it. कर्मणः api bodhavyam. So we should know what is karma. Okay. Karmanaha tattvam means essence of this karma we should know. Means what is karma we should know. Vikarmanaha cha tattvam bodhavyam. So vikarma means vishesha karma. What is vihita karma, that also we should know. So Shankaracharya ji and Naneshwar Maharaj, they differ here. अकर्मणः च तत्वं बोद्धव्यम. What is akarma means nishiddha karma, that also we should know. Why? Karmanah gatihi gahana. This gati of karma, results of karma, they are gahana, hard to understand, unfathomable. Gatihi gahana. Then next, beautiful shlokas, beautiful everything, wonderful. तरी कर्म म्हणजे स्वभावे जेने विश्वाकारू संभवे ते सम्यक आधी जाणावे लागे एथ. So karma means we think karma means what? Doing actions means karma. So here deep spiritual meanings are enumerated. तरी कर्म म्हणजे स्वभावे जेणे विश्वाकारू संभवे ते सम्यक आधी जाणावे लागे एथ. आधी, बिफोर एव्हरीथिंग. आधी ते सम्यक जाणावे लागे. ते that सम्यक very well, flawlessly जाणावे, we should understand. येथ in this world. What? तरी कर्म म्हणजे स्वभावे. कर्म means here swabhava means that which effortlessly comes. So what is karma? Karma here, that effortlessly thing. Because of that, jene vishwakaru sambhave. Because of that, this unmanifest world takes a form. So unmanifest world, because of karma, it takes form. So what is karma? So karma means that factor because of which unmanifest world manifests. That is called karma. So everyone karma put together gives rise to this world. So if I have done greater karma, so to exhaust that karma phala, Bhagavan has to create it something great. For example, I have done 100 yajnas. So what is the phalam of that 100 yajna? Swarga. So how did Swarga come? Swarga came because of my karma. So what is karma? Karma is that because of which the things, the world comes out. And we should know this before. Then what is vikarma? Vikarma, not vikarma, vikarma. मग वर्णाश्रमासी उचित जे विशेष कर्म विहित तेही ओळखावे निश्चित उपयोगेसी. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives another term, Vishesha Karma. Vikarma means Vishesha Karma means मग वर्णाश्रमासी उचित जे विशेष कर्म विहित तेही ओळखावे निश्चित उपयोगेसी. Varna and Ashrama. Four Varnas are there: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Four Ashramas are there: Brahmacharya, Gruhastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasta. Depending upon in which ashram you are, you follow those karma. That is called Vikarma. If I am Brahmachari, so I should do study, Guru Seva, and if I am Grahastha, I should take care of my family and all other three ashram. If I am Vanaprastha, I should reside in one of the forests. If I am Sannyasi, I should renounce the entire world and my identity itself. If I am Brahmana, I should do teaching and studying. Like that, all the things it goes. So, tehi olkhave nischeta upayogesi. We should understand that also nischit clearly. There should not be any ambiguity when it comes to what is my karma, what should I do now, what should I do then. That should be clear. That is called Vishesha Karma. Now, akarma, Dhaneshwar Maharaj explains. पाठीजे निषिद्ध म्हणी पे तेही बुझावे स्वरूपे ये तुलेनी येथ न काही येथ काही न गुंफे आपैसेची पाठीजे निषिद्ध म्हणी पे तेही बुझावे स्वरूपे ये तुलेणी येथ काही न गुंफे अपैसेची पाठी. Moreover, जे निषिद्ध म्हणिपे, that which is called prohibited actions, unlawful actions, तेही बुझावे स्वरूपे. We should understand that eating meat, killing people, drinking alcohol is what nishiddha as far as Vedas are concerned. Ye tuleni means when we know karma, akarma, vikarma, then kahi na gumphe apaisechi. Effortlessly, you won't be caught by all this karma, you will be free. Ye tuleni yeta kahi na gumphe. We won't be entangled in that. So we should know everything. Why? Eva, Eva. Hmm. जग हे कर्माधीन. ए रवि, here correction is there. ए रवि, जग हे कर्माधीन. Why we should know about karma this much? Akarma, karma, vikarma, because entire world. ए रवि, जग हे कर्माधीन. ऐसी याची व्याप्ती गहन. परिते असो ऐके चिन्ह प्राप्ताचे गा. एरवी जग हे कर्माधीन. ऐसी याची व्याप्ती गहन. परिते असो ऐके चिन्ह प्राप्ताचे गा. Ervi, why should know? Because Ervi, if you see generally, Jagahe Karmadhina, this entire world is governed, ruled by karma. Karma is the very important factor as far as this world is concerned. Where do I born? Where do I born? When do I born? Where do I die? What kind of family I will get? What kind of education I will have? What kind of people I will meet in my life? Karmadhina. When that person will be with me, how long he will be with me, Everything decided by karma. ऐसी याची व्याप्ती गहन. How big is the world? So karma is governing. That means how big karma should be? As big as world. Just like Prime Minister Narendra Modi. How big he is? As as far as his government rules. That big is Narendra Modi, not a one person. So this governance is Gahana Vyapti Gahana. Very, it is pervading everything. What? Karma. Now he says that is enough. I told you enough about karma. Parite aso, that is enough now about karma. Prapta che chinna aikega. One who has realized, enlightened person. About him, I am going to talk you now. Oh, so after explaining this karma, akarma, vikarma, Bhagavan is explaining the person who has attained the goal of his life. Now, this in Bhagavad Gita, there are many Kuta shloka, means they are not easy to understand. When we try to understand them, we might feel that Bhagavan Krishna has written something wrong because the literal meaning of that shloka is different and implicit meaning of that shloka is different. These are called Kuta shloka. Karmanya karma yah pashet अकर्मणि च कर्म यः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्म कृत कर्मण्यकर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्म कृत. Now see, कर्मणि अकर्मः यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः सः बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु सः युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्म कृत. Now you see wonderful meaning. यह कर्मणि अकर्म पश्येत. In English it is quite difficult, but I'll try. यह, one who, कर्मणि, in action, अकर्म पश्येत, in action sees. One who sees inaction in action. अकर्मणि च कर्म यह. यह, one who sees inaction in action. So one who sees action in inaction. One who sees inaction in action. Saha manusheshu buddhiman. He is intelligent among all human beings. Saha yuktaha. He is yogi, equipoised person. Saha krutsna karma krut. He has accomplished all work. Now, little bit explanation. So when we hear this for the first time, we say, what is this? Everywhere I can hear inaction, inaction, inaction. So English, it becomes very funny. So karmani means in action, someone sees inaction, akarma. And akarmani, in inaction, someone sees karma. So that person is intelligent. Means what? If you try to make it simple, then it becomes there is a mango. Someone sees apple in mango. Someone sees mango in apple. That person is intelligent. If you put simply, but it is not like that. So it is the understanding, the knowledge of a realized person. So we should understand this nicely. So very simple. Naneshwar Maharaj has made it very, very clear. So simple thing. Atma doesn't do anything. This body and sense organ does everything. Now Atma is speaking or my tongue is speaking. My tongue is speaking. Atma is not speaking. Vedanta comes and tell you, you are Atma. So I am Atma. I am consciousness. Now what happens? Body speaks and I say I am speaking. Eyes see and I say I am seeing. This is called adhyasa, adhyasa bhashya. This kind of topic is there. So legs, they walk. I say I am walking. So actually I can't walk because Atma Tattva doesn't have leg. It cannot walk. Or if I want to walk from this place to that place, already I should not be there. But Atma Tattva already present there. How he will move? It cannot budge. So great person's thinking is when body is doing karma, in that karma, a karma, I am not doing anything because body is doing. And in akarma atma, because this entire world. So first thing you understood that body is doing everything. I am not doing anything. I can't do anything. So second thing, from another standpoint, ultimately Atma Tattva is doing everything. Body cannot do anything on its own. Little bit difficult, deep concept to understand. So akarmani karmayah pashyet. Akarmani means atmani. In this atma, which is akarta. No, jnani person thinks it is karta, karma. Why? Because other than without atma tattva, nothing can move in this place. Can this body move without the consciousness which is presiding here? Not. So ultimately, who is doing? Atma is doing. Now you see from the standpoint of body, if body is doing or Atma is doing, Atma cannot do anything. So this is how they will give both the concepts simultaneously here, which is little bit difficult to understand. But when we see Dhaneshwar Maharaj's words, it is no longer difficult. बघा, let's see. जो सकळ कर्मी वर्तता देखे आपुली नैष्कर्म्यता कर्मसंगे निराशता फळाचिया. So what is नैष्कर्म्य? ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज tells us first. जो सकळ कर्मी वर्तता देखे आपुली नैष्कर्म्यता कर्मसंगे निराशता फळाचिया. Beautiful. जो सकळ कर्मी वर्तता. So one who is doing all karma means not nishiddha and not kamya. He is doing nitya, naimitik karma, sakala karmi vartata. Means he does puja, he goes to office, he take care of his family, he knows his real nature also. Dekhe apuli naishkarmyata, and while doing all this karma, he knows I am Atma Tattva. This body is doing with the help of Atma Tattva. So I am not this body with divine. I am this body. I am this divine who has a body. Two same sentences, but little bit difference. I am not body with divine who has these experiences. I am divine who has body with that we have experiences. So, dekhe apuli nashkarmata. I am not body. I am divine with body. Karma sange nirashata. And I don't want any, I don't have any attachment फळाचिया कर्मसंगे निराशता फळाचिया. देर इज नो अटॅचमेंट टू कर्म आयदर और टू कर्म फल. आणि कर्तव्य ते लागी जया दुसरे नाही जगी. ऐसिया नैष्कर्म्यता तरी चांगी बोधला असे. आणि कर्तव्य ते लागी जया दुसरे नाही जगी. ऐसिया नैष्कर्म्यता तरी चांगी बोधला असे. आणि कर्तव्य ते लागी. कर्तव्य मीन्स द थिंग्स विच वी आर सपोज टू डू एनिथिंग. जया दुसरे नाही जगी. अदर देन आत्मतत्व देर इज नथिंग. इफ आत्मतत्व इज नॉट देर नथिंग कॅन मूव. सो कर्तव्य ते लागी इन ऑर्डर टू डू रिस्पेक्टिव्ह कर्मस दुसरे नाही जगी. देर इज नथिंग अदर दॅन आत्मतत्व. ऐसिया नैष्कर्म्यता तरी चांगी बोधला असे. ऐसिया नैष्कर्म्यता दिस इज कॉल्ड नैष्कर्म्यता. So he does everything. He knows I am Atma Tattva Sakshi, which cannot do anything. And from another side of the coin is he knows that without Atma Tattva, nothing can function in this world. So that is called Naishkarmyata. Changi Bodhalasa. This is called perfect Naishkarmyata. People think I am Atma and they don't do anything because I am Atma. Who will do for this world? There is no world. Still we have to do because we have to be in the world only. So this is not complete knowledge. This is complete. परिक्रिया कलापु आघवा आचरतु दिसे बरवा तरी तो इही चिन्नी जाणावा ज्ञानियागा. परिक्रिया कलापु आघवा आचरतु दिसे बरवा तरी तो इही चिन्नी जाणावा ज्ञानियागा. परी क्रियाकलापु आघवा. All the actions. Kriya Kalapa means the group of actions. Kriya Kalapu Agva, many actions. Acharatu Dise Barava. So if you are Jnani, realized person, then you should read Jnaneshwari. But no, I am realized person. Why should I read Jnaneshwari? Why should I go for Wari? Why should I do Namaswaram? I have got realization. आघवा क्रियाकलापू बरवा दिसे आचरता. दिसे बरवा आचरतु. He is seen doing all the things like our Dr. Narayan Maharaj Yadav is there. 4 o'clock he will get up and he'll do Ram Krishna Hari Vittal Keshava Ram Krishna Hari Vittal Keshava till 6 o'clock. Then 6 o'clock he will go to temple. So doesn't he a realized person? Isn't he? He is, but still doing all things. तरी इही चिन्ह जाणावा ज्ञानियागा. तरी इही चिन्ह. He should be recognized as wise by these aspects, by these signs. Now Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives example how to understand this. Someone is doing action, but we have to understand I am not doing. Atma is not doing action, but we have to understand Atma is doing everything. How to understand this? Beautiful examples, very lucid and simple examples. जैसा का जळापाशी उभा ठाके तो जरी आपण पेजळा माझी देखे तरी तो निभ्रांत ओळखे म्हणे मी वेगळा. जैसा का जळापाशी उभा ठाके तो जरी आपण पेजळा माझी देखे तरी तो निभ्रांत ओळखे म्हणे मी वेगळा. सो बॉडी इज डुईंग ऍक्शन. आय एम separate from that, different from that. To understand this, Naneshwar Maharaj gives example. One person, Jalapashi Ubathake, is standing near to water. And Apanape himself, Jalamaji Dekhe, he sees himself in that water. Now what does he think? I have fallen in water? No. निभ्रांत ओळखे म्हणे मी वेगळा. He has no doubt. Nibhranta, doubtlessly ओळखे, he knows that मी वेगळा आहे. I am different from this. So like that Atma Chaitanya. We might think Atma Chaitanya is in this body. It is not in this body. Body is in Atma Chaitanya. So just like that person sees himself in water, but he understands I am separate from water. In the same way, I am in this body, but I understand myself separate from body because this body is 6 feet. Atma Chaitanya is not 5.9 feet or 11 feet. It is 6 feet. It is immeasurable. Give us another example, please, please, please. Yes. अथवा नावे हणजोरिगे तो थडिये रुख जाता वेगे तेची साचो कारे जो पाहो लागे तव रुख म्हणे अचळ अथवा नावे हणजोरिगे तो थडियेची रुख जाता वेगे तेची साचो कारे जो पाहो लागे तव रुख म्हणे अचळ. This is pure Vedanta, the hard core of this Vedanta. Now, Athva, another example he gives, someone nave rige, someone enters into boat. जो थड़िए रुख जाता देखे वेगे, he is moving in the boat and all the trees are going back and he feels all the trees are running because he is standing sitting quietly. How he can run? All the trees are running. Rukha means tree. Jata vege dekhe, he sees that. Techi sacho kare jo paho lage, and techi, things which are happening. Sacho kare jo paho lage, when he start thinking and seeing closely, तव रुख म्हणे अचळ. Then he understand, oh, the trees are not moving. My boat is moving. In the same way, this Atma Chaitanya which is inside is not moving. This body is moving here and there. Me as a Atma and me as a this body has become one due to ignorance, adhyasa. So because of adhyasa, I superimpose the movements of body on Atma Tattva. And the other way also, I superimpose the existence of Atma Tattva to this body. So both are different. So beautiful example to understand easily. तैसे, now the concept come. तैसे सर्व कर्मी असने ते पुढे मानो निवायाने मग आपण पे जो जाणे नैष्कर्म्यू ऐसा. तैसे सर्व कर्मी असणे ते पुढे मानो निवायाने मग आपण पे जो जाणे नैष्कर्म्यू ऐसा. सर्व कर्मी असणे, वॉट एव्हर ऍक्शन्स ही इज डुईंग, ते पुढे मानो निवायाने, all those actions are abhasika. It is just in seeing, not actually. Just like a mirage water which we can see, but it is actually not there. Or the city, Gandharva Nagara, means the clouds in the sky, they form one kind of shape and it looks like a city, but there is no actually city. So mirage water, it looks like water is there, but it is not there. Like that, I am doing all the karma. Actually speaking, everything is abhasik, not real. It is just in appearance. मग आपण पे जो जाणे नैष्कर्म्य असे. So in the midst of this, जो आपण पे जाणे, one who understand himself as अकर्ता, अभोक्ता, नैष्कर्म्य ऐसा, he is नैष्कर्म्य. He is actually detached from everything and he is not doing anything. He cannot do anything. Another classic example Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives. आणि उदो अस्ता चेनी प्रमाणे जैसे न चलता सूर्याचे चालणे तैसे नैष्कर्म्यत्व जाणे कर्मीची असता आणि उदो असता चेणी प्रमाणे जैसे न चलता सूर्याचे चालणे तैसे नैष्कर्म्यत्व जाणे कर्मीची असता. सो सूर्य उदो असता चेणी प्रमाणे. सो sun is rising, sun is setting. This is what we think. Actually, the earth is moving, sun is in one place, then earth moves, then we feel, oh, now sunrise has happened. Chalo, let's now go to see the sunset at Kanyakumari. We think that. Actually, sun is in one place, not moving, not rising, not setting. उदो अस्ता चेनी प्रमाणे जैसे न चलता सूर्याचे चालणे न चलता सूर्याचे चालणे we superimpose on sun that it is moving but it is not तैसे नैष्कर्म्यत्व जाणे कर्मीचे असं like that when we are in karma we are doing karma we should understand I am not doing it. Okay, then what now? He looks like a man, but he is not man. The manhood is not there. Manness is not there. He looks as though having body, but he is not having body. How? With example, Naneshwar Maharaj has explained. तो मनुष्या सारिखा तरी आवडे परी मनुष्यत्वतया न घडे जैसे जळी जळा माझी न बुडे भानू बिंब तो मनुष्या सारिखा तरी आवडे परी मनुष्यत्वतया न घडे जैसे जळी जळा माझी न बुडे भानू बिंब. So there is sun and that sun has reflection in a water. So when sun's reflection appears in the water, does that mean sun has drowned in that water or sun has become wet? No, it appears there. Like that, Manushya Sarikha Tariyavade, he looks like a man, but the Chaitanya consciousness appears as a man. Actually, nothing has happened. Tari Manushyatvataya na ghade, and this manly, the manhood or this manness doesn't doesn't matches with that person because he looks like or as though he looks like he is having body but he is beyond body just like r- reflection of sun looks like fallen into water but it is not. Then what is the understanding of this person now? The real understanding of realized person is explained here. तेने न पाहता विश्व देखिले न करिता सर्व केले न भोगिता भोगले भोग्य जात तेने न पाहता विश्व देखिले न करिता सर्व केले न भोगिता भोगिले भोग्य जात न पाहता विश्व पाहिले. Oh. तेने न पाहता विश्व देखिले. Translation is not written here. Okay. तेने न पाहता. So Atma Chaitanya cannot see because it doesn't have eyes. न पाहता विश्व देखिले. But people in this entire world, those who are seeing, they are seeing because of Atma Tattva only. It is mutual. So he can't see because Atma Tattva doesn't have eyes. And all eyes which are seeing the entire world, eyes cannot see without Atma Tattva. So na pahata, without experiencing this world, Vishwa Dekhile, he experienced entire world because everyone's experience is his experience or Atma Tattva is everywhere equal in everyone. So whosoever experiences anything, that is whose experience Atma Tattvas. Na karita sarva kele. This is understanding of that Mahatma. I do nothing, I do everything. न करिता सर्व केले He has not done anything. He can't do anything because no sense organ. Sarva kele, but whoever is doing whatever in this world, that is because of Atma Tattva. Sense organ can move because of Atma Tattva. Na bhogita bhogile, and he can't enjoy because bhoktrutva is not in Atma. Na bhogita, he cannot enjoy that. Bhogile, but whatever jiva enjoys in this entire world, that jiva has adhishthana, the support of Atma Tattva. Bhogyajata bhogile, whatever is supposed to enjoy, that is enjoyed by this Mahatma, because everyone's enjoyments is his enjoyment, or all enjoyments are enjoyed because of Atma Tattva. Na bhogita, and he, as a Atma, he cannot do that. एके चिठाई बैसला परी सर्वत्र तोची गेला हे असो विश्व जाहला अंगेची तो कन्क्लूजन एके चिठाई बैसला परी सर्वत्र तोची गेला हे असो विश्व जाहला अंगेची तो एके चिठाई बैसला ही सिटिंग इन वन प्लेस मीन्स body is sitting in one place. Pari sarvatra to chigela, but Atma Tattva is Vyapak everywhere. So he knows body is in one place, but Atma Tattva is Vyapaka, all pervading. It is everywhere. In fact, everything is in him. Where the world is not there, there also I am there. Don't say Atma Tattva, Atma Tattva. I am there. Here, so leave this. Vishwajahala Angechito. Angechito, he himself has become Vishwajahala because Atma Tattva is Brahma Tattva. And Brahma Tattva, on this Brahma Tattva, this world has come. So Brahma Tattva is everywhere means Atma Tattva is everywhere means I am everywhere. Because of time, I will sing one Sanskrit song. श्री शंकर वर पंकज कर शंभो देव पशुपते श्री शंकर वर पंकज कर शंभो देव पशुपते ओंकाराकार सुतनो श्रीकांची नगरपते एकाम्रेश गुरुगुहादिजनक मां पाहि श्री शंकर वर पंकज कर शंभो देव पशुपते ओंकाराकार सुतनो श्रीकांची नगरपते एकाम्रेश गुरुगुहादिजनक मां पाहि ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पुंडलीक वरदा हरिविठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगत गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय